My dear technicians, you're welcome to my new video. This is Villaon keypad mobile phone, and in this video I want to actually show you how to jumper the power button of this phone, how you can jumper the power button. Okay, so I'm going to show you in a simple ways how to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you right away now, because the problem with this one is that is bringing out light. If plug charger is going to charge, but it's not going to power on, and that is as a result of a power button. And let's try and check if there is current in the phone. Can you see the lights? You can see the blue light. Let me show you very well. Let me show you very well. Can you see the light? You can see that there's actually current in the phone. But if you press the power button to on, it's not going to on. Can you see that? Can you see? Now let's take the voltage measurement from the power button. Let's take the voltage measurement now using our multimeter. So now let's take the voltage measurement from the power button, because there's supposed to be a voltage there that will actually trigger the power IC and then turn on the phone. So you can see there's no reading. You can see. So now, well, let's read it now from the VBAT. You can see there's voltage. Now, I want to tell you something, that the way this phone is programmed, this Villaon of mobile phone, the way it is being programmed is that the power button, this middle pin is actually connected direct from the VBAT. Okay. Now, the VBAT is a positive connection from the battery terminal. The VBAT is a positive connection from the battery terminal. So this phone is programmed in such a way that the VBAT comes straight to the middle, to the power button. Okay, but in the ITEL, it is actually a different case. So now let's power the phone direct now from the VBAT. Can you see? Can you see that that's common? Can you see, my dear technicians? Can you see that it's actually working? Can you see? You can see that it is actually working. Okay, so now let's put our meter aside, and then we are going to test the buttons one by one to ensure that all the buttons are working fine before we do the jumper. So now let's start from number one. Can you see they're working? So now let's test it down to number 9, and then star hash, and then the other buttons there. Can you see? Can you see all are working? All are working. But you can see the power button, pressing it is not responding. It's not supposed to take you straight to the home page. So now you can see the delete is also working. Everything is working apart from the power button. Okay. So now let's remove the battery now. Let's go straight to the PCB. Let's go straight to the PCB now, my dear technicians, so that I can show you how you can do this jumper. Very cool. Okay. Let's do this jumper now. I want to show you now the middle point of the power button. This middle point here, it has a back connection, so that's where we're going to jumper it from. Okay, so that the phone doesn't look rough. You can see this is a point. This is a point. Let me zoom it for you. Let me zoom it for you. This is a point. Okay, this is the point. Can you see the point there? This is the point. So we're going to get a very good razor, and then we're going to scrape it gently. Okay, we're going to scrape it very gently, and then do our connection. Okay, so now we're going to be going straight now. We're going straight. So let me get my running wire now. Let me get my running wire, and then let's do the jumper together. Okay, please watch this video to the end. This is my running wire. So now let me get the length I want now. Let me get the length that I want, so that I can do my connection. My dear technicians, please, when you are scraping the middle point of the power button, please be very careful so that you don't scrape the ground alongside with it. because if you scrape the ground alongside with it, it's not going to work and it's going to cause some damages after the connection once you put your battery. So please be careful not to scrape any other connection alongside with the middle. Okay, so now I'm using a new razor. Okay, so I'm going to be careful. Going to be careful. Going to be careful. You can see. I'm trying to make sure that there is no any other points apart from the middle point that I'm scraping. Okay, and see, I want to make sure it is only the line. It is only the middle line that I am scraping. Okay, I'm being careful. That is why I'm doing it little by little. That is why I am not rushing it. Okay, that's why I'm not rushing it. So please be careful. Take your time to do this. Okay, take your time to do this. My dear technicians, take your time to do this. Take your time. All right. Now I'm done with that. I'm going to use my soldering iron, my hot soldering iron, with my lead. Okay, with my paste also. I'm going to apply soldering paste first. You can see. Now you can see the point there. Now I'm going to use my lead now. I'm going to use my lead and then apply my lead to the point first. Let me apply my lead first. You can see, making sure it's not connecting to any other points there. All right. So now can you see, making sure that it is actually well. Can you see that? So now let's connect the running wire now. Let's connect the running wire. Can you see? I want to make sure it's not bridging, please. Make sure it's not bridging with any other components or any other connection, please. My dear technicians, please be careful. Okay, please be careful. Please be careful. Okay, can you see? I'm done connecting it. So now let's take it now to the VBAT. We're taking it to the VBAT. There's actually a VBAT at the front of the panel, but I don't want the phone to be rough. So I'm connecting it straight to the connector back here. All right. So now let's do this. Please take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. All right. Now let's connect. Let's connect. Let's connect. Let's connect. Can you see? We are done connecting. We are done connecting. So if this video have helped you, please like and share. Subscribe to this channel and see you again in my next video. Bye bye for now.